Welcome to our lecture online. Here we're going to take a closer look at how to calculate the viscosity of a fluid. The way that's experimentally determined is you have a tank that has a certain depth or height. We assume that at the bottom the velocity of the fluid is essentially zero, and at the top we have something that's pulled along, that floats at the top, that's pulled along with a certain force. It has a certain cross-sectional area, and the velocity of the fluid just below that is roughly the same as the velocity at which we pull the object at the top. Now notice that the force will be adjusted until the velocity is constant at the top. Then the viscosity can be calculated as follows. It is the ratio of force over area divided by the change in velocity between the top and the bottom over the depth of the tank. The units we use for that is called a poise, and a poise is 0.1 times Pascal times seconds. Now, here's an example. Let's say the force required is 1 Newton. The area of that object that's being pulled along is 5 square meters. The velocity at which it gets pulled at a constant speed is 4 meters per second, and the height is 0.2 meters. So when we then plug in the units, we end up with viscosity as being equal to 0.001 Pascal times seconds. Of course, when you change that to poise, that would be 10 times as much, because 1 poise is 0.1 of that. So let's see here, 0.1. If you want to know, we need to multiply times 0.1, so it would be 0.0001 in order to get poise, but that is how it's done.